The wires are long and the notes are red. I should be sleeping in my lonely bed, but I stay awake for one more try to see a beauty that will never die. The fan is screaming in the dark of night. I am waiting for a flicker of light. Oh, comfy, why do you break my heart? You tear my little world apart. I give you all the power I can find, but you leave me in my work behind. I love you more than any other tool, but you treat me like a common fool. I move the noodles and I change the scene, but the box is red and the dream is gone. How can I ever try to carry on?
My bank called me today to tell me I had a zero balance. I told them that was impossible because I still have checks in my checkbook. They tried to explain how math works, but I told them I do not have time for their negative energy. I am a visionary, not an accountant. Success is a mindset, and clearly their mindset is poor.
The atmosphere here is absolutely suffocating. What you are seeing behind me isn't just a storm. It's a relentless assault by the elements. We are standing on the edge of a localized catastrophe as these waves, monolithic and terrifying, continue to hammer the coastline with the fury of a prehistoric leviathan. The authorities have closed this road, and for good reason. The sheer kinetic energy of the Atlantic is throwing sea spray and debris across this tarmac like shrapnel. If you are watching this from the safety of your home, do not, I repeat, do not attempt to come down to the shore to document this. The situation is evolving faster than our sensors can even track. We've seen power lines arcing and coastal barriers beginning to buckle under the weight of this liquid siege. It's a dark, grim reminder of just how small we are when the Earth decides to flex its muscles. We are committed to staying on these rain-slicked streets to bring you every second of this development, but we need you to be smart. Information is your only shield in a crisis like this. To ensure you don't miss a single life-saving update as the eye of this storm makes landfall, you need to stay connected to the source. Look at the banner on your screen right now. Subscribe for live breaking news and updates. It is the most effective way to guarantee that our emergency broadcasts reach you the very second they go live. In an environment this volatile, being offline is not an option. We will be here as long as the signal holds. Stay safe, stay dry, and keep it locked.
Hey everyone, this is my 5th tutorial covering an LTX 2.3 workflow, so definitely check the others out if you haven't already. I generated these clips on my RTX 5060 laptop using 8 gigs of VRAM and 32 gigabytes of system RAM. After that, I upscaled them to 1080p using RTX Super Resolution. The generation time for 25-second clips usually runs between 18 to 24 minutes with Sage Attention enabled. If you have 8 gigabytes of VRAM and aren't multitasking, you can typically generate a 25 or 26-second 540p 24 fps clip in under 20 minutes using the FP8 version with Sage Attention on. For all these clips, I used Gigabye's FP8 input scaled version 3, which is a staggering 25 gigabytes. It only swapped data to and from the SSD when changing between different models and nodes during the generation process. However, if you're worried about stressing your system or SSD, I've included the link to the Q5km GGUF version right here. Now let's talk about this amazing LoRA. This is the first community audiovisual LoRA for LTX-Video 2.3. The LoRA enables talking head video generation with synchronized lip sync and internalized voice characteristics from a reference character. This is important. Don't forget to use this trigger word in your prompt. Now, I realized after generating all these clips that I should actually end the prompt with the speech transcript. I noticed some subtle lip sync issues with my generations, so try using the transcript and see how it goes for you. If you're using the FP8 version, connect the diffusion model loader's output to the load LoRA node's input. If you're using the GGUF version, connect the UNet loader node's output to the load LoRA node's input. That's it. The model is already connected to the CFG guider node via the Anything Everywhere node. Here's where you can upload audio and set the duration for your lip syncing clip. Regarding the other workflow settings, like downloading models, installation, and the rest, I broke those down step by step in my previous video. I won't waste your time repeating myself, so feel free to refer to that video for the full breakdown. I'll put the link below. The breakdown starts at the 2-minute mark. Now, check out this live generation to get an idea of the SSD offloading, VRAM and system RAM usage, and total generation time.